Hello, sweet ones, and welcome to this sacred space. As we begin, find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels most supportive to you in this moment. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Feel the rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out, effortlessly and naturally. Let your breath anchor you into this present moment, inviting your awareness to settle in the here and now. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calm and peace. With each exhale, release any tension or expectation you may be holding. Let it all go. Allow yourself to arrive fully as you are. Feel the support beneath you, whether it's the ground, a chair, or a bed. Imagine the earth holding you, steady and unwavering, as you sink into its embrace. You are safe. You are held. You are here. As you settle, begin to bring your attention to the sensations in your body. Notice the weight of your hands, the way your chest rises and falls with each breath, and the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. Let yourself notice without judgment whatever arises in this moment. Perhaps there is tightness in your shoulders or warmth in your hands. Perhaps there are thoughts swirling in your mind. Allow it all to be here. There is nothing to fix, nothing to change. Simply observe. Now bring your awareness to your heart center. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing there. With each breath, this light grows brighter, spreading warmth and peace through your entire body. Feel its presence and know that this light is your essence. It's always with you, reminding you of the sacredness of your being. In this moment, I invite you to reflect on the fullness of your human experience. The joys, the struggles, the moments of clarity, and the moments of confusion. Imagine laying all of it before you. The triumphs and the doubts, the laughter and the tears. See it as a vast tapestry, woven together with threads of every color. Some threads are bright and golden. Others are darker, more muted. Yet together they form something beautiful. They form you. Take a moment to honor this masterpiece, to honor the life you have lived, the choices you have made, the lessons you have learned. Whisper gently to yourself, I am whole. I am worthy. I am sacred exactly as I am. Feel the truth of these words. Let them settle into your heart like seeds ready to grow. Now let's bring our attention to the tools we use on our spiritual journey. The practices, the rituals, the teachings. See these tools as items laid out before you. Perhaps you see a journal, a meditation cushion, a crystal, or a book. Take a moment to observe them. Each of these tools has supported you, guided you, or brought you comfort. But today I invite you to release the need for them to define your worthiness. Instead, see them for what they are: allies on your journey, not requirements for your connection to the divine. Imagine holding one of these tools in your hand. Thank it for its service and say, "Thank you for your guidance. I honor your place in my journey. But I know that my worth and my connection to the divine do not depend on you. They are always within me." Feel the lightness of this truth. Feel the freedom it brings. Being sacred and worthy exactly as you are. Now shift your focus to the concept of duality, the tendency to label things as good or bad, right or wrong, spiritual or unspiritual. Let's release these labels and embrace the wholeness of life. Picture a yin-yang symbol in your mind. Notice how the light holds the dark, and the dark holds the light. They are not separate, but intertwined, creating balance and harmony. Take a moment to reflect on the parts of yourself you've labeled as not enough or too much. Imagine embracing those parts with compassion, seeing them as an integral piece of your wholeness. Whisper to yourself, "I embrace all of me, my light and my shadow, my strengths and my vulnerabilities. I am whole." Let this truth fill you with peace. Feel the edges of duality soften, merging into the unity of your being. Take a deep breath. As we come to the end of this meditation, bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel its steady rhythm grounding you in the present moment. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today, for taking time to reconnect with your essence and embrace the sacredness of your human experience. When you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing gentle movement back into your body. Slowly opening your eyes, taking in the space around you with fresh perspective. Remember, you are sacred simply because you exist. You don't need to do more or be more to connect with the divine. You are already there. Carry this truth with you as you move through your day, and know that you are always held in the light of your own being. Namaste.